Hey all, today we are in Windows 11 Google Chrome and we're taking a look at how to get the Reddit application. Let's get into it. So to start off, you will need Google Chrome installed. This will work on Windows 10, Windows 11, as well as Mac OS. So for this one, we're getting the Reddit application. We're in Google Chrome. If you come up to the top three dots in the top right, click that and come down to Cast, Save, and Share. You will see there is an option to install Reddit. When selecting, you will then get this pop-up. You can select Install. And now you can see Reddit has opened up in its own window. We have a Reddit icon down here in the taskbar. And if we close out of the Chrome window, we have Reddit on our desktop. If we come into the settings and applications, installed apps, and we scroll down, you will see that we do have a Reddit application created by Google Chrome. And just like a normal application, you can uninstall it if you want to uninstall it. But you now have Reddit app built into Windows 11 and Chrome. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.